All right, this video is to answer the pickle question. And so the weird situation is 3/4 of a pickle is 5 calories. Um, and then I want to know, because I'm not going to eat 3/4 of a pickle, right? That doesn't make any sense, right? And we're going to leave little 1/4 chunks in the pickle jar and only eat 3/4. That's stupid. Little chunks floating everywhere. So I want to eat a whole pickle, but I also want to know how many calories are in this whole pickle. The first thing we consider is like, is there going to be more or less than 5 calories, right? And hopefully get the idea that there's got to be more calories than five. All right, and there's a lot of ways to figure this out, but my favorite answer came from a student, and she said basically she's going to take this thing and repeat it 4 times. So basically, you do 3/4 pickle, 3/4 pickle, 3/4 pickle, 3/4 pickle, each with 5 calories, right? And the reason she did this is then you can take these little fourth pieces and put them over here to make full pickles. All right, so we know that in total there was 20 calories in this pitcher, and there's also 3 total pickles. So at this point, we know we have 20 calories amongst 3 pickles. All right, and so we can just divide that, and then that'll get us the calories for 1 pickle. So if you divide that out, I think it's like 6.6 repeating calories for 1 pickle. So again, she repeated the pattern to give 20 calories total and 3 whole pickles. That means 6.6 per pickle, right? Which is amazing. They don't just list that instead of listing the 3/4 of a pickle. Why don't they just list 1 whole pickle is 6.7 calories? Maybe they didn't like the 6.7. I don't know. Hope that helps.